the top 6 tips in maintaining paint, crystals and stainless steel. Tip number 1.
I would say drying off after cleaning, passing a chamois or a mop with water and vinegar after your weekly normal maintenance cleaning. The main problem we see and all the damage we see on yachts is generally because the boats are clean. Thanks God, many boats now have pure water systems, so they don't really need to clean off, but still the residues of calcium are what is going to create the decline of the paint.
Tip number 2.
Try to use really neutral soaps, not to put too much soap into your soap solutions. Trying to work with some very soft brushes and rinse off very well and clean off.
Tip number 3.
There are for windows many products based on silicone to have like a lotus effect on glass, and those products really attract calcium and silicone, make us layers on crystal. This kind of products should be really erased from the map. In the yachting industry, they create disasters.
Tip number 4.
If you have ceramic coating already applied on your boat, what would be very interesting is to apply some detergent like a soap degreaser every 4 to 5 months, not on a very high mix, keep it low, and like this you will degrease the paint superficies from the acid rains, from this neighbor having this generator on all day long next to you. Those are making deposits of fat, of oil on your ceramic coating, and employing every 4 or 5 months once a degreaser helps in keeping the ceramic coatings in tip-top conditions.
Tip number 5.
For the window cleaning, something that people don't really know, it's the use of newspaper. So just take a black and white newspaper, just put a bit of vinegar on it, and just simply clean your windows like this on a yacht with no water and nothing. You will be amazed of the result.
And finally, tip number 6.
If you get a bit of rust coming up on your stainless steel bars, on the cap rails, I invite you to ask to the chef some aluminium paper from the kitchen, and you can pass the aluminium paper directly on top of the oxide points. It doesn't scratch and it will remove all the oxide. Try it.